Let me show you how to program the remote for your Guardian 928 jack shaft opener. First, you're going to want to push this top button, the yellow learn button, and then this light will come on. Then you're going to press whatever button that you want to program it to and hold it until it beeps. So now that one's programmed. Now I'll show you again. Press the yellow learn button. The OK light comes on. Press and hold the button that you want to program to your remote. And now they're both programmed. So now we can press it. It works. Press this one. Back in. If you have problems with your garage door or garage door operator, please contact us today.